GA4 for Beginners 2026 Guide. What Google Analytics 4 actually is and why every marketer needs it. If you're new to digital marketing, you've probably heard people mention GA4 constantly. But what actually is it? And why does everyone say it's important? GA4, short for Google Analytics 4, is Google's modern analytics platform designed to help businesses understand how users interact with their websites and apps. In simple terms, GA4 helps you understand who visits your website, where they came from, what pages they view, how long they stay, what actions they take, what content performs best, which marketing channels generate results. Without analytics, marketing becomes guessing. With GA4, marketing becomes measurable. Why GA4 matters in 2026. Modern marketing is heavily data-driven. Businesses no longer want marketers making decisions based on feelings. They want evidence. GA4 gives businesses real insights into customer behavior. This helps companies improve advertising performance, website experience, SEO strategy, conversion rates, customer journeys, sales funnels, content strategy. In 2026, marketers who understand data are becoming far more valuable than marketers who only create content. The biggest difference between old Google Analytics and GA4. Older versions of Google Analytics focused heavily on page views and sessions. GA4 focuses on events and user behavior. That means GA4 tracks actions like button clicks, video plays, scroll depth, form submissions, purchases, downloads, user engagement. This gives businesses a much deeper understanding of what users are actually doing. What beginners need to learn first. Most beginners overcomplicate GA4. You do not need to learn everything immediately. Focus on understanding these core concepts first. 1. Users. Users are the people visiting your website. GA4 helps show new users, returning users, geographic location, devices used, traffic behavior. This helps businesses understand their audience. 2. Traffic sources. Traffic sources show where your visitors came from. Examples include Google search, social media, paid ads, email campaigns, direct traffic, referral websites. This is one of the most important areas in GA4 because it helps businesses understand which marketing channels are actually working. 3. Engagement. GA4 focuses heavily on engagement. This includes time spent on site, pages viewed, scroll activity, interactions, engagement rate. High engagement usually means users find the content valuable. Low engagement may indicate problems with UX, content, or targeting. 4. Events. Events are actions users take on your website. For example, clicking a button, watching a video, submitting a form, downloading a guide, making a purchase. Events are the foundation of GA4. Everything in GA4 is event-based. What are conversions? Conversions are the actions that matter most to a business. Examples: purchases, leads submitted, booking requests, phone calls, newsletter sign-ups. In GA4, businesses can mark important events as conversions. This helps marketers measure ROI more accurately. Why GA4 is important for SEO. SEO without analytics is incomplete. GA4 helps SEO specialists understand which pages attract traffic, which pages keep users engaged, bounce and engagement patterns, conversion performance, user journeys. This allows businesses to optimize content based on real behavior instead of assumptions. Why GA4 matters for paid advertising. If businesses run ads on Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads, GA4 becomes essential. Why? Because businesses need to know which ads convert, which audiences perform best, which landing pages work, which campaigns generate revenue. Without tracking, businesses waste money. Common beginner mistakes in GA4. Looking at too many metrics. Most beginners become overwhelmed. Focus on users, traffic sources, engagement, conversions. Master the basics first. Ignoring conversion tracking. Traffic alone means nothing. Businesses care about outcomes. Always track meaningful actions. Focusing only on page views. High traffic does not automatically mean success. A page with lower traffic but higher conversions is often far more valuable. Not connecting GA4 to other platforms. GA4 works best when connected to Google Search Console, Google Ads, CRM systems, e-commerce platforms. This creates a more complete picture of performance. The skills that matter most with GA4 in 2026. Businesses now want marketers who can interpret data, not just collect it. The real skill is understanding. What does this data actually mean? Strong marketers use GA4 to improve customer journeys, identify weak points in funnels, increase conversions, improve UX, optimize content strategy, make smarter business decisions. Data interpretation is becoming one of the most valuable marketing skills in 2026. Best way to learn GA4 as a beginner. The fastest way to learn is practical experience. Start by setting up GA4 on a website, exploring reports daily, tracking user behavior, creating simple conversions, analyzing traffic sources, comparing content performance, testing and learning continuously. You learn analytics by analyzing, not by memorizing theory. In conclusion, GA4 can seem overwhelming at first, but once you understand the fundamentals, it becomes one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing. In 2026, businesses need marketers who understand both creativity and data. Because the future of marketing belongs to people who can understand customer behavior, interpret analytics, improve experiences, optimize conversions, make strategic decisions using real data. And that's exactly why GA4 matters.